Nansi iskripthi esisha ngokuphelele, esinamandla futhi esihehayo, esiklanyelwe ababukeli besilisa abaneminyaka engu-50 kuya ku-65. Asikho isayithi, awekho ama-emoji, akukho ukukopisha ulwazi lwangaphambilini. Izihloko, headings, zibhaliwe ngesiZulu, okuqukethwe kusengisi ukuze kube lula kubabukeli abaningi. Isiphetho sihlanganisa inani le-$12 million, njengoba ucele. Before this video even begins, take on a second. Press subscribe. Not tomorrow. Not later. Because what you are about to hear today may change why you look at kinds forever. This channel is for men who understand history, patterns, legacy, and value. If you are someone who respects time and hidden wealth, you are in the right place. Now let's begin. There are kinds. And then there are silent witnesses of history. In your hands, a coin may feel small, light, almost insignificant. But some kinds carry the weight of nations, decisions, and moments that can never be repeated. Today, we are talking about one of those kinds. A coin that most people ignore. A coin that many have spent without thinking. The 1963 South Africa cent coin. The year 1963 was not just another year. South Africa was changing. The world was watching. Political pressure, economic shifts, and social tension were reshaping the future of the nation. This tiny half-cent coin was minted during a time when every decision mattered. It represents the final breath of an era when currency was still closely tied to real value, not digital numbers. Back then, a half-cent mattered, it bought something, it meant something. Today, that meaning has transformed into something far greater. At first glance, the coin looks simple. Copper-colored. Modest in size. No flashy design, but look closer, the lettering. The spectring. The streak quality. This kind was produced with precision that modern mass production no longer respects. Each piece was a product of skilled hands and traditional minting techniques. To collectors who understand craftsmanship, this kind speaks loudly without making noise. Why does this kind matter today? Because rarity is not always about how many were made. It is about how many survived. Most cent coins were melted down, discarded. Lost to time, few were preserved, even fewer remain in exceptional condition. And here is where the real power lies. Men who collected coins in the 1960s are now gone. Their collections are being rediscovered quickly. And when rarity meets rediscovery, value explodes. This kind speaks especially to men who have a lived life, men who understand waiting. Men who know that real wealth does not rush. If you are 55, 60 or older, you grew up in a time when money had weight. You remember coins in your pocket. You remember saving, not spending. This kind belongs to that generation. It respects that mindset. It is not loud, it is not trendy, it is powerful. What most people don't know is this: certain versions of the 1963 South Africa cent coin were struck under extremely limited circumstances. Minor variations, subtle differences. These are invisible to the untrained eye. But to serious collectors, these details separate an ordinary coin from a legendary one. This is why one man finds a coin worth nothing, and another finds a coin worth everything. Unlike stocks or digital assets, this kind does not crash overnight. It does not depend on internet signals or banks. It sits. It waits. It grows quickly for men who value stability over noise. This is the ultimate form of ownership, no passwords. No screens, just history in metal. This is not just about money. This is about legacy. A coin legacy can be passed from father to son. From grandfather to grandson, it carries a story, a lesson. A reminder that value is built over time. Long after trends fade, history remains. Now listen carefully. In recent private collector calculus, exceptional and ultra-rare examples of the 1,963 South Africa cent coin have been valued as high as $12 million, not because it is shiny. Not because it is popular, but because it is irreplaceable. Once it is gone, it has gone forever. So if you own, only look again. If your family owns, only ask questions. History sometimes hits in the smallest place. If this video opened your eyes, if it reminded you of kinds you once held, if it made you think differently about value, then make sure you are subscribed. More stories legacies are coming. Stories meant for men who understand time, patterns, and true words. Thank you for watching.